In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce the video file size in Clipchamp. This process is useful for freeing up storage, making your uploads faster, and ensuring smoother playback on various platforms. Whether you're looking to post on social media, share with friends, or just optimize your storage space, learning to compress your video efficiently is a skill worth having. First, we're going to start by opening up your preferred web browser and searching for Clipchamp. Clipchamp is a powerful online video editing tool that's both user-friendly and effective, especially for tasks like compressing video files. So once you've navigated to their website, go ahead and log into your account. This will give you access to its suite of tools and features available for video editing and compression. Once you're in and ready, locate your video file on the editing timeline. Clicking directly on your video clip will select it, allowing you to start making precise edits. Now, take a good look at your video. Often there are extra bits at the beginning or the end that aren't necessary. You can trim these parts by dragging the handles at either end of the clip inward. This quick action helps save space by immediately getting rid of any footage that's not needed. Now, you may also want to remove a section from the middle of your video. To do this, place the timeline scrubber right at the start of the section you wish to cut out. You'll notice a split button that looks like a pair of scissors. Click it. It allows you to make a neat cut in your timeline. Then, move the scrubber to the end of that unwanted section and make another split. Click on the section you've just isolated and hit delete. It's an intuitive process and invaluable for removing those unnecessary portions quickly. With your video now precisely trimmed, let's move on to adjusting the video quality. After you've finished editing, a window will pop up with options for video quality. Lowering the resolution is one of the most effective ways to compress your video. For many of us aiming to post on social media, 720p is a great option. It strikes a nice balance between maintaining quality and reducing file size. However, if you're creating a draft or need the smallest file possible, 480p is your best bet. Once you've selected your desired resolution, the export process will kick off automatically. Watch as Clipchamp works its magic to compress your video while still keeping a good quality. Give it a moment, and soon your newly sized video will be ready to download and use. And there you have it, a streamlined way to reduce your video file size using Clipchamp. Not only is this process simple, but it also ensures your videos remain high quality wherever you choose to share them. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy editing.